people pay for a $250 million ballroom, 90,000 square feet. That don't even make sense. That would mean that the ballroom is actually bigger than the White House itself. I think that's cap. 90,000 feet. 90,000 square feet. That's big. That's fucking huge. I don't think people understand how big 90,000 square feet is. For a ballroom? Are there buildings that big? 90,000 square feet? That's huge. Is there enough room where the White House is, the grounds, the foundation around surrounding the White House? Is the area big enough for 90,000 extra square feet? I don't know.